Vybz KARTEL walk out and he party turn up. I tell you say right now, next year Vybz KARTEL for Prime Minister. One world boss. And then I say world boss take over the world. A real talk. It's world boss of everybody. Day by right. PNP. Everybody attack. Adi. Walk out. Hands up. People go crazy. Yo. Walk on YouTube. Big up on yourself and the listeners and subscribers. And if you're new, you don't know how to join the family, no, man. Right now, man. I tell you, say, Cartel never seems to stop shocking the world. Now from Cartel walk out at the party thing, I don't know what go on. He just go viral again. At the real viral bastard, sorry for time. Shut now. Vybz Cartel have more power than enough of them politicians. Right now, if them say Vybz Cartel I run for Prime Minister next year, the whole Jamaica vote. I'm gonna be honest with you myself. Drop it in the comment section. Cartel for Prime Minister. God's a road. So, this is for Cartel forward and say, yo, you hear me? King and the Queen are forward. And you know, say, to some people it's surprising. To me, it's like, that was like a no-brainer to me because that song that, you know what I mean, it was such a big impact on both of them careers. Just like, it would have been a weird if you don't see that song will get performed. You understand me? So, that's a wonderful look, you know, see, after 13 years, the people them can really get to see the artists them perform the mega hit song. All when a night is it. So that are going that are the word in the streets. And you know say Mama nah play with the thing. Mama, we're gonna see where you're going with on stage. You know say anytime Spice step on stage, you know, a bag of man want go up because that guy them. Cause them know Spice do our thing. Big up Spice. Spice! But I'm not telling us people know what them want to do. Them all want to live people life for them. Them want to tell people what to do. Now Vibes got the conference and it's this whole big like we don't want to tell the man which one to live, which part to go, where to live. Brother, come on. Let's be real. The man free to go where man go. The man an international superstar. So the reaction is just natural. It about roll off that way then. You know what I mean? And at this point, when you see what one, people happy for the guys are forward. So I just that a one. So anyway, cartel step right now, stampede, get used to it. You understand? Yeah. And we also switch part Mr. G British come KHAGO and Syracuse in our website. And I say, yo, KHAGO and Syracuse get this brawling, outspoken, this brawling from Gaza. No, people, it's that surprising. Remember, no KHAGO been a say, you want cartel for dead at first. So, yeah, remember that, you know. Syracuse been on a mission, so we don't know what go on. Did cartel really dish them? I have to do some research on that, but those are the words of Mr. G British. And you know, Mr. G British get to work, Mr. G British the ram for come people at the med side and make them know brawling with no apology. You see it? Yeah, man, that's the thing, man. Make sure you're subscribing and smash a like in about people. Yeah, man. I saw Jamaica this month. I said big up the judgment yard in the cause this part Sizzla just received the Music of Excellence award. You understand? We have to clap for that. Big up cause Idiot thing I go on and right now you see greatness I go on and they never talk about it like that. I wanna not talk about that. Huh? You see? Like trust people. I don't know some more while in the start. When I don't make people head chip in the cars. When we really breathe this thing at the start, it's just like when I not talk about nothing else right now, brother. We have so much things out here going. Sisters let us receive an award. Excellence. You understand me, dude? Yo, bro, enough things are pass up right now. Greatness, bro. Right now. Focus. You understand? That's the word right now. Focus. Focus, blacks. Let's go. Alright, no matter tell us it right now. People used to talk like run a back road or something, but then, Rasta. I get to find out they are amazing. Never followed around the edge. Yeah, you want some judgment. You want some Rasta. And King being him a Backstreet King, bad song. Man, I said, a new song because I never hear it. Yo, bro, I have to go find that song because I say, yo, this song fresh. You understand? But then me, you know, them jazz side. I say, wow, they ain't gonna say that about yeah. Get the money up, um, drive around a back road, that's it. Anyway, people big up on themselves, guys. Get carried away. A bad song, you know? Yeah, man, big up being a man. Bad song. Yeah, man. I can't forget about this thing. Also, we see recently, which by some artists are getting a hot water about routine. So, I need to know if I want to follow around the star, mix up myself. So, yes, people, you know the thing already, you know. You see me? Right now, be a drama, and as far as I see, the drama go further than the positive thing. Nobody no want to hear nothing conscious, you see me? Because that just get a reward, and it's like, brother, I'm not happy for the man get him a award and them something the brother like, come on, man. Like, I know so not happy still, but my mind preoccupied by other things, you see me? Like, world boss walk out on the conference and both sides confused and them not remember why them did it again. It's just a lot of distraction. You understand? But anyway, still not people not to know. Say, thing have a balance. On a level. That's it. Balance out the thing, man. And sift through it. That's it. That is it. That is it. I know it's a real boss. When real boss say, yo, vote Prime Minister, whole Jamaica go vote for real boss. What? Just watch and see. That'll be one party, real boss. What? One real government. Yeah. I eat that.